Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at Romans chapter 12 verse 2. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. What this means is that you should not, the word conformed means to take shape. We should not mirroring the world. We should not be partaking in the things of the world, such as going to the club, sex out of marriage, listen to these secular music. We should not be allogesting, pranks, and all those stuff. He said to be transformed, and to be transformed, we have to ask the Lord to help us. Transformation starts from within. So I have to ask the Lord to help us to change the way we talk, change the way we act, the places we want to go, and to mirror ourselves. What would God do?